Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English learning class. In this lesson, we'll talk about some common English mistakes and how you can fix them easily. White heavy checkmark mistake 1. People often say, he don't like it. But that's wrong. The correct sentence is, he doesn't like it. Remember, with he, she, it, we use doesn't, not don't. White heavy checkmark mistake 2. Some people say, I am agree. But we never use them with agree. The correct way is, I agree. White heavy checkmark mistake 3. Many learners say, she very beautiful. But we need a verb here. So, the correct sentence is, she is very beautiful. Sparkles, great job. Now you've learned 3 common mistakes and their correct forms. Practice speaking them out loud, because practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning videos. See you in the next lesson.